Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on bold font option in Samsung Galaxy A55. So where to look for our font options and the settings. Of course, settings first. Now we are looking for our display options, and here we have font size and style. And here we have our bold font option. When we turn it on, as you can see, our letters became a little bit bolder. That's it. This is a simple toggle, a little bit hidden in display menu. So that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.